Hey, I'm Jared Anderson.
And I'm Kathleen.
And this is the Ballad of the Bird Dog.
I'm a pastry chef, and I'm originally from Beaumont, Texas, which is where I met Jared, who bought the house across the street from my grandmother.
And I've been working in oil and gas in Houston for around 15 years now, but I'm originally from Tucson, Arizona. Kathleen and I got married back in December of 17, and pretty much on our honeymoon in Fredericksburg, we decided to start the store, and it's grown from our idea of starting really small and only having a couple brands to carrying almost 60 brands now. But we always were focused on carrying a lot of well-made, high-quality, small batch products.
We wanted to create a space that just covered all bases. You walk into a space and you're comfortable, and people are friendly, and you get a cool drink, maybe something to snack on. It smells good. We're playing music that hopefully you enjoy.
Brenham's an interesting location because it's in between Houston and Austin and really close to Round Top. So we're seeing a lot of people visit, weekend trips from Houston and Austin, and Brenham's a really cool town that's getting a lot of energy now.
So we wanted to introduce the great brands and the quality of the products to this small town that we've come to really love and appreciate.
We look forward to seeing you in the shop, and until then, check out our Instagram and our website. Thanks.
It's the ballad of the bird dog, the story of a man. It's a timeless old tradition of being who I am. They won't ever wonder where I stand.